Here are some rules to follow when using typography in your designs. Caps versus lowercase. You can use all caps for display type and headlines. Body copy usually works best in down style, not in all caps. Bold, italics, shadows, and underlines. Use these sparingly in design, only to emphasize something that needs to be called out. Reverse text. This is when white type is on a black or dark colored background. It needs to be display type to be readable. Don't reverse body copy. Line length. If a line of text is too long, it tires our eyes. Keep the line length appropriate to your layout. Text alignment. Text can be aligned left, right, center, and justified in designs. Align left is the preferred type of alignment for large bodies of text. Hyphens. When there are too many hyphens, it can create ladders and be hard to read. Orphans. Orphans are a single word that may sit alone at the end of a paragraph of text. Remove hyphens and orphans from your designs as much as possible. By mastering the art of typography, you can effectively communicate your message and create visually engaging designs. Follow Crye Studio to learn more about graphic design. Thanks so much.